My name is Jonny Michael, and over the past 5 years, my best friend Michael and I have hosted a golf podcast called the Bogey Men. Every year, we travel to a county in Ireland and document our trip, showcasing the wonderful people we meet, the places we stay, and the golf courses we play.
Ireland has some of the greatest golf courses in the world, and we're incredibly lucky to have them on our doorstep. So we're visiting the beautiful county of Donegal and playing 6 golf courses in 5 days.
Starting with Donegal Golf Club, we'll continue north across to Narn and Portneuf, travelling up along the coast to Critch Island, winding our way through to Northwest Golf Club, and up to the highest point in Ireland, finishing at Ballyliffin.
And we'll be joined along the way by friends and locals to show us everything there is on offer in a spectacular county on and off the golf course.
Golf is a unique sport with a rich connection to local communities and cultures. These connections are exactly what we want to experience and create memories that will stay with us forever. So this summer, Donegal is our playground, and now it's tea time.